Hello everyone! Today, we are going to set up the ESP32 and verify it by running a simple blink LED program. To begin, head to your web browser. Search for Arduino IDE. Open the first link. Select your operating system and download the Arduino IDE. Once the download is complete, head to your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to start the setup. Select your install location for the Arduino IDE and click on Install. Select Run Arduino IDE and click on Finish. Go to File, Preferences. In the Additional Boards Manager URLs field, paste the link given in the description. Go to Tools, Boards, Boards Manager. Search for ESP32. Install the ESP32 by Espressif Systems, version 2.0.17 as it is a stable version. Connect the ESP32 to your computer. Install the required driver for ESP32 CP210X. Search for CP210X driver from Silicon Labs. Open the first link. Head to Downloads menu and download the driver according to your OS. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and extract the file. Open Device Manager. Under Other Devices, select CP2102 USB to UART Bridge Controller. Right-click, select Properties, Driver and then Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers and select on Browse. Under Downloads, select Driver and click on OK to install the drivers. Your drivers are now installed. Open the Arduino IDE. Go to Tools, Board and under ESP32 select ESP32 Dev Module. Now go to Tools, Port and select the COM port connected to your ESP32. Go to Tools and under Partition Scheme select Huge App. This is done to resolve Sketch Too Big errors. Go to Tools, under Erase All Flash before Sketch Upload, select Enabled. Before we move ahead, ESP32 boards are sensitive to static, especially during everyday use. Our case helps prevent this while keeping all pinouts visible. The order link is in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Your ESP32 is now ready to code. Let's test it with a simple Blink LED program. Open the GitHub repository using the link in the description. Open the QC testing directory, then Blink LED and blinkled.ino file. In the Arduino IDE, go to File, open a new sketch and paste the copied code. Now compile and upload the code into the ESP32. If the LED starts blinking, your ESP32 setup is successful. Congrats!